discuss about the hide and unhide features of MS Excel. So there will be three videos. One, hide and unhide columns. Second one, hide and unhide rows. And third one, hide and unhide sheet or tab. So in this video we will discuss hide and unhide column. So as you can see, I have prepared one table. So there are four columns: region, city, sales in crore and year, and I have put the values also there. So I want to hide the column B. Why I'm hiding this? Because in the report I don't want the end user to see the city column, and even I don't want to delete this column. Or you can say I want to print this table but don't want to print this particular column, but I even don't want to delete this because later I can use that in some other cases. So in these cases, hide and unhide features will work. So I am trying to delete column B. So first I have to select that column. As you can see, I have selected that. Then in the home tab, go to format option, which is in the right side. Click on the drop down and you can see hide and unhide. Go there and you will see hide columns. So click on that. So you can see now the column B is removed. City column is not there. So the column is A, C and D. These three are present: region, sales, crore and year. Now let's say if I want to unhide that again, then what will I do? I will again go to home tab, format, hide and unhide. Then I will select unhide columns. So you can see that city column is now back. One more example. Now I want to hide more than one column. Let's say I want to hide two columns, column B and column D. So I will first select these two columns. I will go to home tab, again in the format. In hide and unhide, I will find hide columns. Click on that and now you can see those two columns are gone. Column A, column B and column D are gone. Region and sales in crore are present. City and year are gone. Now I want to get those columns back again. I want to unhide them. So again I will go to home, then go to format, click on the drop down. Now select on hide unhide and unhide columns. So you can see those two columns are back now. So this is how we can easily hide and unhide column. So that's it for today. Thank you.